After unboxing the package, check that all items shown here have been included. Package contents for sill mounting. Prepare the tools shown here before installation. Step 1. Install the SIM card. Insert the SIM card as shown. Step 2. Connect the Ethernet and electrical cables. First, thread the Ethernet cable through the SIM card slot cover. Next, attach the waterproof plug to the cable with the open side facing up. Turn the router upside down, so the mounting side is facing up. Insert the cable into the Ethernet LAN port, and then push the waterproof plug tightly into place. Make sure the plus mark on the SIM card slot cover aligns with the O mark on the router. Screw the SIM card slot cover in place with a screwdriver. Remove the QR code label and attach it to the injector for convenient access. Insert the other end of the Ethernet cable into a port on the PoE injector marked PoE. Connect the injector to an electrical outlet. Step 3. Find the best signal location. Download the Zyxel Air app to your mobile phone. Scan the Wi-Fi QR code on the label. Click to join the Zyxel network. Select Auto for router setup. Scan Login QR code to log in. You have logged in successfully. Use the Zyxel Air app to check for the best signal location. Step 4. Assemble the mounting kit. Place the main plastic frame on the back of the router with the arrow symbol pointing up. Use the 4 round head screws, springs, and plain washers to attach the main plastic frame. Step 5. Install the router using the mounting kit. The Zyxel outdoor router can be mounted on a variety of scenarios. We will begin with glass mounting. Make sure the glass surface is clean and dry before attaching the adhesive strip. Attach the adhesive tape to the plastic bottom frame. Remove the film on the adhesive strip. And attach the plastic bottom frame to the glass. Attach the router after 72 hours to ensure good adhesion. Line up the main plastic frame with the plastic bottom frame and slide down gently. Attach the main plastic frame to the plastic bottom frame by screwing on the tapping screw from beneath. Your glass mounting installation is complete. Next, we are going to demonstrate mounting on a pole. Pole mounting kits can be installed on a vertical or a horizontal pole. For vertical pole mounting, insert the hose clamps around the pole and into the holes on the main plastic frame. Tighten the hose clamps with a screwdriver. Use the 4 round head screws with spring and plain washers to attach the main plastic frame to the back of the router. Lastly, adjust the installation angle to face the optimal signal direction. Your vertical pole mount installation is complete. To mount on a horizontal pole, follow the same steps as the vertical pole mount, but rotate the main plastic frame to set it horizontally. Your horizontal pole mount is now complete. For wall mount installation, place the plastic bottom frame on a wall, mark the position, and drill 4 holes. Insert the nylon wall plugs. Use tapping screws to fasten the plastic bottom frame to the wall. Line up the main plastic frame with the plastic bottom frame and slide down gently by screwing on the tapping screw from beneath. Your wall mount installation is complete. Finally, we will demonstrate the sill mount. Package contents for sill mounting. We only need to install the U-bracket on the left. If you feel unstable after installation, you can add the L-bracket with the hand twist bolt. Attach the U-bracket to the back of the router with the round screws. place the U-bracket on the sill. Tighten down the hand twist bolt on the top as shown. Your sill mount installation is complete. Step 6. Connect to indoor router. Plug the Ethernet cable into the WAN port of the indoor router. Plug the other end into the LAN port of the PoE injector as shown. Congratulations! You have completed the installation. Enjoy your smooth, high-speed 5G connections with Zyxel.
Zyxel